Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of grade 4. Now get ready for another science lesson. You know we are studying about sounds, and in previous lesson we studied that how sounds are produced. Sounds are produced by the vibration of few things, and sounds always travel in longitudinal waves. Alright. Now our next lesson is about how the sound is measured. So good children, quickly bring your books and open page number 121. Okay my dear, now move to page number 121. First of all, look at this picture. This is an instrument and it is called sound meter. Sound meter or decibel meter. This instrument is used to measure the loudness of sound. Alright? Okay, now I am reading it for you. Listen it carefully and underline the important lines. Sound can be measured. Yes, sounds can also be measured. We can measure the intensity and loudness of any sound. The volume or loudness of sound is measured in decibels. Decibel is a new word for you, so my dear, circle this word. Decibel is actually the unit for measuring sounds. Just like we measure the weight of any object in grams or kilograms, we measure the distance in kilometers or meters. We measure the height also in meters and feet. These are the units of length or distance. So in this way, decibel is the unit for measuring sounds. The volume of sound can be measured using a sound meter, as I have shown you earlier. Sound meter or a decibel meter. Underline this also. The volume of sound can be measured using a sound meter or a decibel meter, the instrument that we have discussed earlier. The louder the sound is, the higher its decibel rating. Now my dear, underline this full paragraph. This is all very important. Alright? Okay. Total silence is 0 decibel. Means if there is no noise, total silence, then the decibel rating would be 0. A whisper is to speak in low voice. A whisper is 15 decibel, while normal street noise is 70 decibel. Look at this dB. dB is the short form for decibel. Like for distance, we do not write always full word meter. We just write a small m. In the same way, for decibel, we will not always write full spellings of this word. We will write this short form dB, and keep it in your mind. This D is small and B is capital. It should be written like this. Exposure to sounds above 85 decibel for long periods can cause hearing loss. Means if you continuously hear so loud noises, then you can lose your hearing. You can have some hearing problem. Maybe your ears ache, or you have some other ear problems or audio problems. Now look at this. Below are examples of common sounds and their decibel rating. This is very important, and you have to learn this whole They will definitely come in the exams. So here in the red column, they have given the sounds of different places, and in the second column, they have given its decibel rating. So a whisper means speaking in very low voice. Its decibel rating will be 15 decibels. Rainfall, when there is rain is falling outside in your lawn, its decibel rating is 50 dB, 50 decibel. Normal conversation means to talk. When you talk in a normal voice, its decibel rating is 60. Normal street noise is 70 decibel. Noisy factory, the decibel rating at a noisy factory is 90 decibels. A car horn, you must have heard that a car horn is usually quite loud. So its decibel rating is 110. A rock concert, where some musical band is playing music, and you know it's also quite loud, so its decibel rating is 120. And firecracker is a kind of small blast, and then its rating would be 140. Okay, now look at these pictures. A girl whispering means talking in a low voice in the ear of another girl. And do you remember what is the decibel rating of a whisper? Yes, it's just 15 decibels. Yes, look at this picture. Cars on the street means some cars are moving on the street, and as these are so many cars, so the noise is also more than 1 or 2 cars, so its decibel rating would be around 70 to 80 decibels. This is the picture of a rock concert where a musical band is playing music and singing some songs, and we have discussed that its decibel rating would be 120 decibels. So my dear, this was our today's lesson, and today we have just discussed an instrument with which we can measure the loudness of any sound, and that instrument is called decibel meter or sound meter. And then we have discussed the intensity or loudness measured through that instrument, and is measured in decibels at the noise at different places. Alright, so revise this topic, read page number 121 of your science textbook very carefully and learn this chart. And now some written work is there that you have to write in your science notebook. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.